Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then start the installer. You need Windows 10 build 1903 or newer and up-to-date GPU drivers. Once done, install Lively Wallpaper from the Microsoft Store or the GitHub release and run the app with administrator rights when prompted. Make sure to allow background execution so animations stay smooth. You'll see a library and a plus button. Click plus to add your first dynamic wallpaper and prepare to configure settings for performance versus visual quality. You now configure the wallpaper and performance settings. Select Add and choose a local video, GIF, or a web URL. Lively converts it into an active wallpaper. Once added, open the wallpaper properties and pick a performance preset, balanced or high performance, and toggle autopause when apps go full screen. For multi-monitor setups, assign wallpapers per display and fine-tune scaling or audio playback per monitor. This helps you control CPU/GPU load while keeping the look you want, and prevents interruptions during games or presentations. You finish by setting Lively to start with Windows so your wallpaper applies at login. Go to Settings and enable Launch at startup. Then finalize performance by choosing hardware acceleration if available, or reduce the preset to lower CPU/GPU usage when you notice stutter. If the wallpaper shows a black screen or won't animate, try restarting Explorer. EXE, toggling full screen auto pause, or reinstalling Lively. If that fails, update GPU drivers and run the app as administrator. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.